Evening, folks. Thought I'd talk about a little bit of shop supply, resupply, I guess, and a little bit of a tool haul. We start out with I acquired a Lisle 13500 41 millimeter GM water pump wrench. Need that if you're working on GM water pumps. 41 millimeter. About $15, I think that was. Got a good deal on these three-piece Crescent foldable Allen and torque ski set. Got the torque skis, metric Allen, and SAE Allen. Let's see what they go to. The SAE Allen goes from 5/64 to 1/4 inch, just common for a foldable Allen. Metric goes from 1.5 to 8, also quite common sized. And the Torx goes from T8 to D40. 3 sets, good thing to put in a car emergency toolkit. And for the shop, I like these Sunnyside cans, acetone, 1 quart each. I picked up the acetone, denatured alcohol, and the low odor mineral spirits. These cans, you can usually pick them up for about $6 Menards. This Crescent deal was really a pretty good deal. I found that at Tractor Supply, $9.99. It was kind of funny. They had them all individually priced at $10 a piece. Well, who would buy the individuals if you can get the 3-piece for the price of 1? Then I needed a tub of towels, so picked that up at Menards actually too. $15 for the tub of towels. They have went up over the last 2-3 years, but everything else has too. So what do? Well, it was a short video. I appreciate you watching. Thank you and good night.